Meet Zach, an owner of a food and beverages processing plant in Australia. A few months ago, he was planning to buy an efficient steam boiler to reduce the cost of operation of his plants in the coming years. At that time, one of his co-workers told him about O'Brien Energy Services and explained how it could help with the business. Zach visited the site and went through all the details. He learned that this company is one of the best heat-generating solution companies in Australia. Furthermore, he saw that their steam boiler comes with an economizer to improve the overall efficiency of a steam boiler. It also reduces the consumption of fuel to minimize the cost of steam and hot water production. O'Brien Boiler Services Proprietary Ltd also offers remanufactured steam boilers at a budget-friendly price. It has been a few months since Zach has been using the steam boiler and he is really happy with the result. If you want to invest in O'Brien Boiler Services Proprietary Ltd efficient steam boiler, contact them at 1300771759 or browse o'brienenergy.com.au for more details.